I hope you're good. I hope you're good, guys. Gorgeous. I got it toxic trait. Toxic trait. And my toxic trait is I'm a good listener. First of all, background. I'm a good listener, and I will listen to you attentively. And actually, this one is the campaign. This one is the campaigning himself. I little straight down. Alile, guys. Also, guys, yesterday I had a date. Guys, don't buy this hair. It will frustrate you. Thank God I can maintain my hair and I know how to take care of my hair, but I don't recommend this particular one. Guys, I'm saying, guys, as my don't funny, kule single life in Pila Gona is that are you gonna meet someone, and then as soon as you tell them that you are single, you're not seeing anyone, not talking to anyone, they're gonna say, guys, I know my skin is acting up, and then they're gonna say, okay, fine, now that ndikhona ndicela ungaphindi ndikuse inamba yakho. And now that ndikhona ndicela ungaphindi ndikuse inamba yakho. Let it be the last time you do that now. Yeah. And I'm like, the closer girl in me, if isiqonde hey hayibo kanjani manje, because if you don't want me to give other people my number, makube kwisizathu kanjani, makube kwisizathu indoni abayibeka phandle zabashushu beka makube kwisizathu, guys, makubekho la point. And I always tell people, one thing about Xhosa girls is that xa sewulokhe in uyazibona ulokha in and nawe iyazenzekela, yabo, iyazenzekela into yolokha in, and then xa sewulokhe in uziva usithi kwitshomi zakho, guys, ingaba ndizazi uba ndifuna ntoni. And if akawa athi la magama athi ingaba ndizazi uba ndifuna ntoni, keep it moving, honestly. If akawa athi la magama athi ingaba andizazi uba ndifuna ntoni, kuba xa sewuthanda umfana qonda ethu uyandithanda lo mfana, and ke ngoku ingaba if ndinga, you know, and I'm gonna have my period, guys, in a few days or so hence keep like, guys, you know man, Xhosa girls, you know my Xhosa girls, but xa sewulokhe in kwawena uye utsho zitshomi zakho uba, yo guys, ingabe ingaba ndizazi uba ingaba awuzazi uba ndifuna ntoni. Xa sufike lapho into yoba, yabona guys, I'm locking in now, and if I don't lock in here, ingaba ndizazi uba ndifuna ntoni, then uzazi uba you've arrived, you know. Now this thing of someone telling you bana you must lock in now, don't entertain other people, kanjani manje, kanjani? Utsho ngantoni? Like utsho ngantoni? Utsho ewe ndiyakuva, but utsho ngantoni? Utsho ngantoni? Hayi bethu nani. Hayibo. No, kusadlala asidlali apha. Asidlali apha. We're not playing, honestly. We are not playing. But nansi khona nje. Utsho ngantoni Mihle? Utsho ngantoni? Ewe fam, you saying I must entertain other guy. I must entertain you and focus kuwe wedwa. Utsho ngantoni? Utsho ngantoni? Umbuzo umile. Umile umbuzo. Utsho ngantoni? Uza nantoni ngaphambili? Uzisa ntoni enkosini? So sithi uba hayi yabona ke ngoku. Because into lokha in guys yazenzekela. Akho into yokuthi uxelele uba lokha in izazenzekela we kuna reach a point where you're like wow, no. Zabandana dom. Dokubandisa zabandana dom. Chong, yabam. Dating is wild. You're very wild. Nani kubanzi lona mali apiliwe nje? Girl, suvula. Mzaban.
Guys, and welcome. This is the Coffee with Jay. I hope you guys are doing great. Let me just say,
hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. YouTube analysiwe ukhuluma ku live kokuthi guys beka ku date nokuthi she's finally seeing someone, and we are very much happy for her, man. I've never been so happy for a stranger. Kelo deserve guys lo wonhle after going through a lot while she was with her cheating husband uLuthando. So it deserve ukele kuba happy, although people are saying oh no, it's so soon sengaqedzi nema divorce kulinzwani mkhwenyane ngekho. So mina nje I think ukuthi girl, she's still very young, and if afuna kujola uwakajoli. If afuna kujula kajole ulinza but it's too early kanti ushona lo indoda yini. So for mina nje girl, I think you're making the right decision. It's your life. If you're happy, then Nazi, say happy. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.